Hello everybody, welcome back to Kevin's Hobby Time. So this is going to be the introduction for the truck build or the car carrier build portion of the Glory Days of Drag Racing group build. So other videos and other pictures may have shown where I was using the other truck, which would have been the tractor one. So I realized that this one here is a lot better idea because it has the cab over with the long frame on it already. While this one, because the original thought was to take this cab and throw it on this frame. However, this is a cab, basically an engine forward versus the cab forward, which is COE stands for cab over engine. So, and if I need to lengthen this chassis, then all I have to do is cut the chassis, and I can literally just lengthen it by using aftermarket plastic, like styrene strips and stuff. Or if this chassis ends up being long enough or whatever, then I could possibly just cut the chassis here and then take this first half and then like mold it onto here. So either way, the biggest thing is it's going to be a combination of the whole back half of this truck with the cab and the frame of this truck, while this will be gone. So there were some people that actually use that, but this part of the truck, which Richard Petty did for a short amount of time, but want this to be the whole carrier of the car. So anyway, not a very long intro for it and everything, but this is pretty much the welcome to the truck portion, or the car carrier version of the build. So just again, biggest focus on, so I've gone from using that other one to this kit here. Anyway, hope you like it. Thanks guys, stay along for the ride. See ya.